and we continue our ascent. The trail 9, and the only thing that I see is the sign of the greatest signal. That means this shit is gonna go up. See right there, greater than 9. No, or 9 or greater.
9+.
And let me tell you though, this is pretty interesting, right? We actually walking on sand, and the sand is very refined, very, you know, just like sugar powder, and it's cold, and it feels good on my feet. But let me tell you though, it's a really good workout. Clyde is doing very great, very good. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get my mind blown in a few minutes, but I'm just gonna take it easy because
Take it easy. Take it in stride.
I'm taking it in stride. I'm working out my legs right now.
Yeah.
This is so dope. Come on, put you back into it, boy. I want to go through here. I don't know. I want to. Whoa. Holy guacamole.
You see that?
Now that.
You see that?
Yeah.
That's where we went up.
After going to the beach.
Yeah. So we went that way, went to the beach, checked it out, and then the trail goes, you see the trail goes that way.
Yeah.
So to rejoin the trail, you either go back around, or you
Why
climb
can't we
back.
just go down here? Go down here, meet that
You
one,
get a better view. Like just
go
that
to the
way.
beach.
Yeah, I'm saying coming back, but anyway.
So we're not gonna go through here.
It's up to you, man, we can do anything. But I think it's nicer from the top.
Should we think we'll put the drone up?
It's up to you.
All right, GoPro, stop recording.